friends, today topic is slicer. So we are going to discuss about a slicer. So first of all, if we click on it, it displays on the Power BI desktop. So first of all, what is meant by slicer? Slicer in Power BI are a type of canvas visual filters. The slices enable a user to start and filter a packed report and view only the information they want. The report visuals will automatically change, showing the information for that year. Slices provide buttons that you can click or a filter tables to pivot tables. Slices also indicate the current filtering state, which makes it easy to understand what actually is the current displays. So now we know about a slicer and how it is works. Now we are going to check it. And I have already created a data with the names of cities and a dates and a sales. See here, Hyderabad, Warangal, Karimnagar. So we should enter the data into a slice chart. So here, take a name. So we can see here. So slices take a distinct values, means it removes a duplicate values. It takes a duplicate values. And here we can see a sales. So we can see here, it removes a duplicate values. Actually we have seen here. And it is a field. We can change a name and drill through and going to a format. There are a selection controls. If we select the selection controls, there is a single select. Means if it is on, we can select any one, only one, not anyone, only one. And if you select a multi-row, we can select any multi-rows. And if you select all, here, select all options. If you select all. And next, slicer heading. If it is off, on, we can see here. And items, font color. We can change it a font color, blue or a blue or a black. We can change it in any color. And background, as usual, white, as usual. And next, outline name and text and font family. And here title, if it is on, the title is on. If it is off, title is off. Means if it is on, and borders, if it is on, borders we can change here. And shadow, if it is on, the shadow is on. And visual head,